So, hi families. For my families who are still trying to get logged onto Google, I sent out an invite for all remaining students who did not sign up or have turned in assignments. And I'm going to just show you through the process to make sure that you do get the invite and we can get you into our Google Classrooms. So you will log on to, you will go into the address bar and type in google.com, and then you should come to a page similar to this with some Google graphic and the bar where you can, the search bar, So then you want the sign in button to the right, and we're going to click on it. From there, it will take you into it says sign into your Google account number. You're going to want to put your student's lunch number, as they may call it, or really their identifier number while they're at school. So you may put in, it's an 8-digit number, 00000000 at pgschools.net. This is very important to have that last part, at pgschools.net. This is different than what we did last year, so it's going to take you to a different account. I know some parents are using the old one, but we prefer if you use this one. Today, to show you for the sample video, I'm using Walton Test Student since I have access to this one. After that, you're going to click on Next after you have your student's lunch number at pgschools.net. Not .com or .org, but .net. And please make sure that you have that S at the end of PG Schools. Then you're going to enter your password. For your student, it is going to be their 2-digit month, their 2-digit day, and their 4-digit year. So if we were putting in a password like that, I'm going to put in a different one. But if I was putting one with my birthday, I would put 03. Let me see so you can see it. All right, 28, 1986. Oops, 1986. So 03 is March. 28 is for the 28th, and 1986 is my 4-digit year. You will put in your child's. I'm going to put in the one for the Walton Test Student. And press Next. And then if you look in the right-hand corner, it should be your student's name or their first initial in the corner. So if I was doing my own, Tashana, it would have been a T, but since it is Walton Test Student, it's the W. All right. Right beside it, we have what we call a waffle, which has 9 squares that you can click on to see all the different apps. The app that we want is Google Classroom. Right here, that 4th one. Usually it comes up as that 4th one, or that 2nd row, 1st column. You want to click on that. And so this is the class that I am already currently in, AM Mrs. T. Johnson 2021. However, you would see something similar to this where it says that you can join or decline. You want to join the classroom, and then everything will be completed. You join. It will take you in to the classroom, the stream, where you can see our past material. If you need to get to former class assignments that we have done, you can go under classwork and see that information. All right? And then the people under there as well. So if you want to sign out, if you have more than one child, you will click on that initial near the top and you will sign out. So you can get out of it and the next student or child can do it, and then you can have several accounts. Use another account, or if, let's say, you're using your personal computer but you don't want it connected with your child's, you can do a remove an account as well. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.